What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Did you know that the Forex market is open 24 hours a day, all week? Okay, it's only closed on the weekends, right? Today's Saturday, so we're closed today. Can't make any trades today. But today I'm going to talk about how that's possible, and maybe more importantly, what are the best times to trade, right? 24 hours is a long time, so what are the best times to trade, okay? So everything I talk about today is going to be central time zone, so do the math on wherever you live, but I know most of my followers are here in America in the central time zone, okay? 4 p.m. marks the beginning of a new day, and the significance of that is when you hold a trade over into a new day, right? Say it's Monday and you have a trade in the morning and you hold it past 4 p.m. Well, at 4 p.m., your broker is going to charge you a swap fee, okay? I don't know why it's called a swap, but it is. And basically, guys, it's like you're paying the broker like half a pip, okay? So it's really not a big deal, but just so you're aware of that, if you see it, that's what that is. First session is the Tokyo session, okay? Starts at 7 p.m., opens up, goes through 1 a.m., okay? And just so you are aware, these are not to scale, okay? That is a full day over there in Japan. But that's the Tokyo session, the Asian session, all right? The pairs that are going to be, not the pairs, but the currencies that are going to be moving most there are, obviously Japanese yen, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, the Kiwi, those are going to be the ones that are moving right there, okay? Then at 1 a.m., the opening auction for the London Stock Exchange begins, and the opening bell happens at 2 a.m. For London right there, and that goes all the way through until 10:30 a.m. our time. And then here we get to the New York Stock Exchange. The pre-open happens at 6:30, and the opening bell for the New York Stock Exchange, as everybody should know, happens at 8:30 in the morning. Now, we have an unbelievable strategy around the New York Open. I can't share that one with you, but that one's almost too good. I think we've only lost one trade this year on that one alone. So that one's, I got to keep something in my pocket. You know what I'm saying? So 8:30, and that goes through until 3 p.m. Okay. So basically, from 3 p.m. all the way to 7 p.m., that's kind of like a dead gap. Okay. It's what we call a dead gap in the market. But the best time to trade is, I believe right here. The overlap between the London and New York sessions, okay? Because for obvious reasons, there's going to be the most amount of volume right here in the overlap of those two. Makes sense, right? Okay. Now, personally, I like to wake up. I've got my alarm set for 4:50 in the morning so I can check the candles that close at 5 a.m. Sometimes we get entries at 5 a.m. But this is the kill zone right here. This is what we call it. We call it the kill zone, where we find a lot of signature entries right there. And guys, if you want to check out signatureentry.com, that'll teach you how we find such good entries that have us in profit in 15 minutes or less most of the time, okay? So guys, that's it. Hopefully that clears some things up for you, lets you know how that works, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.